Hello friends, I am Professor Juris Prudente. Today we are going to talk about the types of prisons that are permitted by Brazilian legislation. One of the types of prison is civil prison, which is where the person who owes alimony is detained for not paying it. Another type is imprisonment to serve a final and unappealable sentence. That is, for it, there are no further resources possible, and the convicted person must begin serving his sentence. The third and final type are precautionary prisons, which are subdivided into three. 1. Arrests in the act. Occurs when someone is arrested at the time of committing the crime or shortly after, while being chased or found with objects that link them to the crime. An arrest in the act must be immediately reported to the judge, who will decide whether to maintain it, convert it into another precautionary measure or relax it. It is regulated in Article 302 of the Criminal Procedure Code. 2. Temporary arrests. This is a specific measure for the investigation phases, applicable in cases of serious crimes defined by law, such as homicide, kidnapping, and crimes against the financial system. It has a limited term, generally 5 days, extendable for another 5 or 30 days, extendable for another 30, in cases of heinous crimes. This type of prison is not regulated in the Code of Criminal Procedure, but in Extravagant Law Number 7160 of 1989. 3. Preventive detention. May be ordered by the judge at any time during the investigation or criminal proceedings, as long as the legal requirements are met. It is used to guarantee public order, the convenience of criminal investigation, or to ensure the application of criminal law. It requires sufficient evidence of authorship and materiality of the crime. This arrest is provided for in Article 313 of the Criminal Procedure Code. Remembering that precautionary arrests need to be very well founded. The state should not, go around arresting people without a sufficiently plausible justification, as the principle of presumption of innocence is in force in Brazil, which says that everyone must be considered innocent until a final criminal conviction. Subscribe to our channel, like and share. To next.